Most of us know that good personal credit makes it easier to purchase a home, get a job, or rent an apartment. But did you know that you've got a whole other set of credit options available to you as a business owner? Credit cards, loans, and funding opportunities. These other credit and funding options are based on your business's ability to acquire loans, credit, and funding. That's why if you own or are considering starting a business, it's in your best interest to get expert information. If you set up your business properly, you can guarantee your business will secure funding, obtain new credit accounts, credit cards, and loans, and not just be a paper corporation that can only open a bank account using the EIN. The bottom line, the experts use their businesses to obtain funding. The information you are able to purchase was created from the most current technologies and during the toughest credit periods by the most seasoned business credit professionals. The core principles of the Business Credit Secrets Declassified are loans, credit, funding, and teaching you how to properly develop your business structure for financing. The primary intent of this ebook is instructing the reader and providing him with a tutorial on how to properly set up his business and how to get funding. Here is the Business Credit for Dummies fact. I'm going to say that one more time. Here is the Business Credit for Dummies fact. If you're not already getting money with your business, or you don't know how to get money with your business, you need this information. Period. The Business Credit Secrets Declassified, Making Money During the Recession, was built for one purpose and one purpose only: instructing our purchasers and providing our clients with a tutorial on how to properly set up your business and how to get funding right now. Take charge now. The Business Credit Secrets Declassified, Making Money During the Recession is now available. Discounted rate available at checkout. Buy now and save. Make your purchase below. And welcome to the world of WeSellMoney.com.